Hello everyone, welcome to the Android Kenya channel. This is Emmanuel and today we are going to unbox the new Tecno Camon 11. For those not in the know, Tecno recently released two new smartphones, the Camon 11 and the Camon 11 Pro, which are pretty much the same thing other than differences in the camera and the memory. We have with us here the Camon 11, which comes in this beautiful package, which when you remove the polythene reveals exactly what you're going to get inside the box, which is the Camon 11 and its notch. So removing that tape actually now is going to reveal the device itself, which at 6.2 inches that displays the biggest we've ever seen on a Tecno Camon smartphone. Like previously we've had the Camon CM and then the Camon X, Camon X Pro, and then there's also the past generation Camon devices. This is actually the biggest display that they've put in there. As you can see there, our unit comes in red. You can also buy in blue and black color options. Putting that aside, what you also get inside the box is a pair of basic headsets, as you'll see shortly. Yes, there it is. Earphones, since the device also has a 3.5mm headphone jack, so these you can plug in there and enjoy your music on the go. You also get a USB cable for you to use up the device when the time comes, and it's micro USB, no USB type C there. Then there's also the power adapter. Nothing much. Then of course there's the usual suspects, some documentation here. In this case, this includes warranty information, and then of course a user guide and all that stuff. Still, you are going to get a very nice what do you call this, a case or something? There's that case, and there's also of course a screen protector. Now a bit about that case, I really liked it the very first time I saw it. It has this Kevlar look, even though it's just pretty much plastic, but I really like it. The first time I saw Tecno doing this was with the Camon X and the Camon X Pro. Of course there's also a SIM ejector tool. Peeling that plastic wrapping reveals the Camon 11's exterior well, which is red, of course, and then of course peeling the wrapping on the front reveals to us the all black and glass front, where at this point you can't really see the notch until you turn on the device. And there you have your Camon 11. That's exactly how it looks in this red color, as you can see. Powering it on for the first time, one is of course greeted by the Tecno and powered by Android branding, and then of course there is this very beautiful Camon animation, which gives a clue as to what the entire Camon series is all about, which is all about those cameras. Then the usual stuff. To start, of course at this point I didn't have any SIM card there, so didn't connect, and of course didn't connect to any Wi-Fi network. Skipped those steps real quick, and then I set the date and time, which is just the usual standard steps that you will follow. Interestingly, while doing all this, I noticed that I wasn't prompted to set up the Tecno Spot, to sign in to the Tecno Spot forums. So I don't know if it's because I wasn't connected to the internet at that time, or Tecno has just removed this from the process, which will be a very good thing, because it's one of those things that are usually very annoying to me in that entire process. It feels forced, and it's an unnecessary step that lengthens the entire first boot and setup process, and it's unnecessary. So it's a good thing if it's actually gone. Then of course you get a chance to set up your biometrics, which is the face unlock, and then the next thing, the fingerprints scanner, so that you're able to unlock the phone with ease and do other things, since the software is customized to have the fingerprint scanner also do some other tasks. Of course, scroll down to find Kenya or whichever country where you are. I don't usually know why this is important, but I believe you get some apps that are set for your location and all those other optimizations. And yeah, that's basically much it. That's how the Tecno Camon 11 behaves when you boot it up for the first time, and as you go through the initial setup. There is your home screen. Those are the icons that you get at first glance. Of course, this is already, so you can still go ahead and customize it all to your taste. Yeah, of course, there you can see on the left you get that other panel that Tecno has dedicated to giving a quick glance at the news and all that. And yeah, pretty much that's it. There won't be any surprises. Of course, now the task at hand is to go ahead and do all manner of customizations there. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and see you in our next video.